How's it everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all having a great day. As you can see, we are once again here at R&M Autobody Worx, and we're going to be doing a special feature on driver's seat on one of the newly completed customer cars. Somebody that I'm also familiar with and who I've actually referred to R&M Autobody Worx. His name is Daniel Kluter, and we are going to be checking out his 97 Toyota Corolla that was recently resprayed. It was a full respray, and I must tell you that this car is looking so insane. I'm loving the pearl that the guys have sprayed this car in, and I'm sure Daniel will too. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Let me first start by saying I am completely in love. I'm not ready for divorce yet, but I'm in love. I'm at R&M Autobody Workshop today picking up my 97 old spec Toyota Corolla RSi. Yeah, very excited, very happy, overjoyed. I don't think anything can outsell the fact that I'm in love today. Yeah, that's that.
Like I say, it's pure happiness and pure joy.
So yeah, Corolla, this is my, like I mentioned earlier, my 97 old spec Corolla RSi. Specifically that because most of the guys that I know on the scene with me for the last couple of years know me that I prefer old spec. I prefer black top. Nothing wrong with silver top though. Yeah, I've had the car now for just under a year. Prior to this, I've had actually four 20 valve RSIs. Yeah, my story started back in probably 1998 when my neighbor pulled up with his maroon, I call him a bully. He had a maroon 20 valve old spec 97, and I saw that car. I saw him driving up down the road, up into his driveway as a young boy, and I told myself, that is the car that I'm going to own one day. Yeah, I bought my first one, I think it was in 2014, I bought my first one. Ever since then, I've just been chopping and changing until I find the perfect one, you know. Until I eventually decided, you know, it's time for big boy things, buying a house, buying a more reliable car. So I was off the scene for about, what was it? I think since 2016 off the scene. And while I was off the scene, I was just, you know, focusing on myself, focusing on family planning, you know, building a future and so forth. Yeah, and then my wife and I had a conversation. I said to her, you know, I would honestly hope if one day I can own one of these again, because second to her, this is the love of my life. Yeah, so my wife gave the go ahead because she knows I gave up a lot with regards to this car. And yeah, last year, I think it was in June or August, I was scouting and I was looking for cars, and I happened to find this one in Goodwood. A car was standing for a long time. I looked at the body, it was a bit messed up and whatever. That's minor, obviously the guys will tell you, because it's all things that can be fixed. Yeah, then I was sold on the fact that when I opened up the bonnet, I just saw dust, and I asked the owner, listen, has this motor ever been redone or whatever? He said to me, nope, never, just its regular servicing with Toyota, obviously, because he worked for Toyota, but he didn't know much about the car itself. I was sold, I purchased the car in probably August of last year. Yeah, brought her home. The wife was happy for me. Thank you to her for my words. She's been a big support in all of this, because she knows and understands how much this car means to me. Yeah, I phoned up a friend of mine, Carla, and I asked him, listen, I'm looking for someone who can, assist with a full restoration of the exterior of the car. And he recommended R&M Autobody Worx out in Blackley, Saxonburg. I brought the car in. My initial plan for the car was to go black.
Oh, hell no!
Panel beater spray painter Sean told me, no problem, we can do that for you, no problem, no questions asked. However, go home and think about it, which I did, which obviously made me feel that he's telling me in some sense that, look, this is a bad idea, don't do it. I went home, took a couple of days, thought about it, and yeah, I came back and I said to him, Sean, it's fine, let's do this, let's rather go white, let's stick to the original white of the car. Then before the car came in, obviously I had the seats redone on the car. It's still the original RSi design pattern of the seats, but just redone in leather. The sunroof was fitted at sound match. The H3 Comfort, I think, the newer model that basically closes automatically when you switch off the car. And then also fitted a sound system, complete sound system. I think I have a 8000 watt mono block in the car with a 12-inch. Also with a 1800 watt 4-channel for the 6x9s and the mids. And I'm running a Sony deck at the moment. Completely happy with the sound setup. Thank you to the guys at Soundmatch, Bradley Plumstead, for the help and the assistance and the guidance there. I brought the car in January, and then the guys at R&M started working on the car, and this is one of the best spray jobs that I have seen on a car in a very, very long time. I love the color, it is absolutely perfect. Has sort of like two shades to it. If you look at the car, one side it will look yellowish if the sun is shining on it, and the other side it will have like a glitter finish on it. So I am completely happy with the car. They also restored or resprayed basically the wiper arms, everything that was initially black on the car. They redid it black for me. Sean actually wanted to color code my bumpers and the side skirts or the strips. I told him, look, let's hold off, let's wait for that. And then one of the best things that Sean guided and advised me on was to the lip. There's an SDI lip on the car that was also fitted. One of the things Sean told me was to just to consider going color coding the lip as well, and I've never seen it done before. It is the most amazing thing ever. It looks perfect with the car. He resprayed the rims for me as well, which I'm extremely happy with. So yeah, in a nutshell, that has been done. There's still a lot of things that I want to do on the car, just exterior wise, to get it to where it needs to be. Will take some time, but thus far I am absolutely happy with the spray job that was been done.
So there you go, guys, we've reached the end of another vlog, and that was Daniel's car. Mr. Manuel's over here. He's one of the gentlemen that's actually been involved in getting Daniel's car finished, and I must say that the job has really come out stunningly. And as you guys have heard as well, Daniel is super happy with the job. So if you guys do need any respray or panel beating work done to your vehicles, I will leave their contact details in the description below, so you guys can make contact with them directly for quotations or any other work that may be needed. Till the next one, guys, Mr. Manuel, I'm not sure if you have any final words you want to add. Okay, so we will catch you guys in the next one. Remember to stay motivated. Cheers.